In this video, I will show you 8 amazing Photoshop tutorials for beginners. Let's start the video. To refine hair in Photoshop. Firstly, unlock the layer. Go to Select menu and go to Select and Mask. You can change the view from here. Now select the subject. Go to Refine mode and select Object Aware. Now click on Refine Hair. Go to Global Refinement panel and increase the smoothness to 20 for smooth edges. Increase the feather to 4 for blur edges. Increase the contrast to 10%. Also increase shift edges to 7. Now change output to layer mask and then OK. Now add solid color background. Let me show you how to text behind in Photoshop. Firstly, go to Select menu and select Subject. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate the selected area. Now add some text like this. Increase the size of text. Right-click on text and choose Skew. Adjust position like this. Align text into the center. Now duplicate the text layer. Select this layer and go to Blending Options. Fill opacity is 0 and add some stroke. That's it. Let me show you how to create crop image in Circle. Firstly, select the Frame tool. Here is 2 options, Circle and Rectangle. Select Circle. Draw a circle like this. Unlock the layer. Now image convert to circle. You can easily change the position of image like this. Select Circle Mask and easily change the position of image. Now double-click on this layer side. Now you can see a new tab. Here you can change images or edit image. Now select this layer side and select Export As. Image or Export. Now select this side and go to Export As. Export the crop image. Here is an export image. That's it. In this video, I will show you how to change background color in Photoshop. Firstly, unlock the layer. Go to Select menu and choose Select and Mask. Now select the subject. Go to Refine mode and select Object Aware. Now refine the hair. Go to the Global Refinements tab. Increase smoothness to 32 for smooth edges. Increase feather to 4.4 for blur edges. Increase contrast to 19% and also increase shift edges to +7. Now select output to layer mask and then OK. Go to the adjustment panel and select solid color. Change the color as you want. That's it. Let me show you how to create cartoon effect in Photoshop. Firstly, duplicate the layer and convert to Smart Object. Go to Image and select Shadow and Helix. Shadow amount to 35 and then OK. Go to Filter Stylize and select Oil Paint. Stylization 2.3, Cleanliness 10, Scale 0.1 and Bristol Detail 5.0 and then OK. Again, go to Filter and go to Filter Gallery. Choose Poster Edges, Edge Thickness 0, Edge Intensity 1 and Posterization 6 and then OK. Again, go to Filter Noise and select Reduce Noise. Strength 10 and then OK. Again, go to Filter Blur and select Smart Blur. Radius 3 and Threshold 30 and then OK. Now again, go to Filter Sharpen and select Unsharp Mask. Amount 132, Radius 2 and Threshold 0 and then OK. That's it. Let me show you how to create mask effect in Photoshop. Firstly, go to the blending options and choose solid color. Select the mask and go to the brush tool. Start painting squares like this. You can make the brush bigger or small to make variation like this. That's it. Let me show you how to create brush portrait in Photoshop. Firstly, place the image. Select Image Layer and add Layer Mask. Select Mask and press Ctrl+I for invert the mask. Now go to Brush Tool and select Brush. Brush's link in the description. Select Brush and brush like this. You can also change the direction of brush like this. Change the brushes and brush it. Now unlock the layer and change the color of background. That's it, brush portrait is ready. In this Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to create window shadows in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, go to Blending option and select Exposures. Set exposure to -1.72. Now create new file with 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to Rectangle tool. Create one small rectangle. Hold Alt and drag on rectangle, make a copy like this. Create 4 rectangle. Now follow these steps. Select all rectangle and make more copies like this. Now select all layers and press Ctrl+E for merge. Align into the center. Now go to File and select File Embedded. Now select the file. Adjust like this. Press Ctrl+I for invert. Now create clipping mask. Select both layers, press Ctrl+E for merge layers. Align into the center. Press Ctrl+T for transform the layer. Right-click on subject and select perspective. Adjust like this. Go to Edit and click on Define Brush Preset. Change the name and click on OK. Go to Main tab, select Brush tool and select Exposures layer. Increase the size of brush. Brush it. Go to Window and select Property. Adjust the feather like this. Window shades is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.